Welcome to our video on executing your plan and turning your vision into action. Have you ever felt stuck between planning and taking action? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the importance of having a clear vision, breaking down your goals into actionable steps, and building a roadmap that you can succeed with. We will use a practical example to illustrate each point by referencing a fake persona that we will call Sarah. Also, I will name some tools, techniques, and frameworks that you can utilize at different stages of executing your plan. I'll also list these tools and keywords in the description section along with some definitions and links. Now for our persona example for this video, let's meet Sarah, a marketing manager who wants to launch a new product in the next 6 months. The gap between planning and action can be overwhelming. It's easy to get caught up in analysis paralysis, over-planning, and perfectionism. But the truth is, taking action is the only way to truly move forward. A clear vision is the foundation of any successful plan. It's what drives you, motivates you, and gives you the direction. Take the time to define your vision and make sure it's aligned with your goals. You can watch my video on how to develop a vision that your team can get behind. That would explain a lot of things for you. For Sarah, her clear vision is to launch a new product that increases sales by 20% within the next 6 months. Over-planning can lead to analysis paralysis, which can prevent you from taking action. Remember, planning is important, but it's equally important to take action and adjust as needed. In our example, Sarah can avoid analysis paralysis by setting a deadline for her planning phase and sticking to it. Now that we've talked about the importance of having a clear vision, let's dive into setting up your success. Take your big goal and break it down into smaller, manageable steps. This will make it feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Use a tool like Trello or Asana to help you organize your tasks. For Sarah, her actionable steps might include conducting market research, developing a marketing strategy, creating a product launch plan, and coordinating with the sales team. Deadlines and milestones help you stay on track and motivated. You can use the SMART framework by making sure they're specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time-bound. Use a calendar or planner to keep track of your deadlines and milestones. It's important to create a schedule and stick to it. In our example, Sarah creates a schedule for her tasks and sticks to it. She allocates specific times for each task and avoids multitasking. Her deadlines and milestones might include things such as completing the market research within a couple of weeks, developing a marketing strategy within 4 weeks, launching the product within 6 months. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. Allocate your resources like time, money, energy accordingly. Use the Eisenhower matrix to help you prioritize your tasks. For Sarah, her priority tasks might include things such as conducting market research, which is urgent and important, developing a market strategy, which is important but not urgent, and coordinating with the sales team, which is urgent but not important. That you get from the Eisenhower matrix. A roadmap to success is essential for achieving your goals. It helps you stay on track, motivated, and focused. Use project management tools like Basecamp, Reiki, or Jira to help you manage your tasks, deadlines, and resources. Techniques like agile, scrum, or waterfall can also help you stay organized and focused. For Sarah, she might use Trello to manage her tasks and deadlines. She can create boards for each task and move cards across boards as she completes them. Clear communication is essential for success. Establish channels for communication such as email, phone, or video calls. Use collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams to help you communicate with your team more effectively. For Sarah, she might establish a weekly meeting with her team to discuss progress and challenges. You need to regularly review your plan to ensure you're on track to achieving your goals. Adjust your plan as needed based on results, feedback, or changes in your circumstances. For Sarah, she might review her plan every 2 weeks to ensure she's on track to meeting her deadlines. Roadblocks are inevitable, but they don't have to stop you from achieving your goals. You need to anticipate potential challenges and develop contingency plans. This will help you stay prepared and adapt to changes. Use a risk management template to help you identify potential risks and develop contingency plans. For Sarah, she might anticipate challenges such as delays in product development, changes in market trends, insufficient resources, and more. Seek support and guidance from mentors, coaches, or trusted advisors. They can provide valuable insights, advice, and encouragement. Use a mentorship platform like MentorNet or MicroMentor to find a mentor. For Sarah, she might seek guidance from a marketing expert or a business coach. It is important that you celebrate your milestones and acknowledge your progress. This will help you stay motivated and encouraged. Use a habit tracker or journal to help you track your progress. For Sarah, she might celebrate milestones such as completing the market research or launching the product. It's time to put your plan into motion. Take the first step towards achieving your goal. This will help you build momentum and confidence. Use the 2-minute rule to help you take the first step. For Sarah, her first step might be to conduct market research. Remain adaptable and open to opportunities that arise along the way. This will help you stay flexible and adjust to changes. Use a mindset shift technique like the growth mindset to help you stay adaptable. For Sarah, she might need to adjust her marketing strategy based on feedback from customers. You need to embrace the journey of learning and growth. This will help you stay motivated and encouraged along the way. Use a learning journal or reflection template to help you reflect on your journey. For Sarah, she might reflect on what she learned from conducting market research and how she can apply that to future projects. And there you have it, a roadmap to executing your plan and turning your vision into action. Remember, taking action is the only way to truly move forward. Stay focused, motivated, and adaptable, and you'll be on your way to achieving your goals. For more information on executing your plan, check out the list of resources in the description below. Finally, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, put some comments, ask me questions if you have them. If you're not a subscriber and would like to be notified when I publish videos like these, as in this series on being a better manager, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. You will be more than welcome on my channel, and I'll be happy to see you each time I publish my video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you on the next video. Take care. Goodbye.